Hi, this is Ajay Jangin in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. Friends, today's question is from trigonometry and the question is find A and B while sine A plus 2B is equal to 1 upon 2 and cos A plus B is equal to root 3 upon 2. These things are given, then find the value of A and B. So how will we solve it? So for solving this, just take this question aside here. So we are taking first given thing here and the second given thing here. So we have these given things and with the help of these given things, we have to find the value of A and B. So here we have two equations and if you understand these two equations, then our answer will be more easy to calculate. Otherwise, I'm here. Okay, so let's see the first equation first. What we have in it? Sine something is equal to root 3 upon 2. So whatever value of A plus 2B we have, but the combined value of both, sine with this value means sine theta and sine theta means a ratio for the angle A plus 2B. So a thing to think here is, how much degree of value would be here with the sine for getting root 3 upon 2? And we know very well, the value of sine 60 is under root 3 upon 2. So how will we write it? We will write it as root 3 upon 2 is equal to sine 60. And now look at here, for which angle the value of cos is equal to 1 upon 2. And again, we know very well, the value of half is the value of cos 60. So we will write this as half is equals to cos 60. Before doing anything, let me tell you about Unacademy's Ask a Doubt feature, which is for class 6 to 12th of CBSE board. And it's absolutely free. For this, just open Unacademy app and after that, you can ask unlimited doubts here and then you get high quality videos in Hindi and English. For doing that, just click here, then set your goal here. I have already did it. You can change it later also by clicking on change at the bottom side. That is manage goals. Click here and search CBSE. All classes will be in the front of you. Suppose I choose class 9th, language I choose English and then you can clear your doubts by clicking on Start Learning. So keep scrolling down until you find Ask Doubt. So choose second one from both these options, Your Doubts. So after clicking on this, we have this interface. I have checked some solutions, so it's showing that first time it will be like this. Here we have two options. Take a picture and choose from gallery. We will choose take a picture and take a question from 10th maths and see what solution we get. Question 4 from the exercise 6.5 and click the photo of it. Just rotate this and crop only question number 4. Then upload and select mathematics. Now we have our solution in front of us. So we opened it and now see what we have. Let's forward it. It's a part of solution. Let's get back. So did you see the solution we got in the great resolution? So it will ask you the review before next doubt. Did you like it or not? And after clicking on like button, we will have the option for next question. Now you can ask anything you want to. Whenever it asks you about the unlock code, your unlock code will be JANDY10. It will help you to get the access to free and 10% discount on paid or any iconic subscription courses. So let's get back to the original question. Now see these both equations carefully. In the first equation, the middle value we have root 3 upon 2. So there are two values that are equal to root 3 upon 2. Which are both sine A plus 2B and sine 60. So similarly, in the second equation, there are two values for half. This left side cos A plus B and this right side cos 60 degree. So we write these directly in equal just like this. So we have sine A plus 2B is equal to sine 60 degree and cos A plus B is equal to cos 60 degree. In the equation first, if we compare both the side, we have sine with a bracket and in the middle we have a equality sign and in the right we have sine 60 degree. So then sine A plus 2B can be equal to sine 60 only if A plus 2B is equal to 60 degree. So we can write this as A plus 2B is equal to 60 degree. Similarly, this second equation has same form as before. Here we have cos A plus B is equals to cos 60. These both only can be equal if A plus B is 60 degree, otherwise this equality symbol won't be satisfied. So we can write this as a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Now in front of us we have two linear equations in two variables. So there are too many ways to solve pair of linear equation with two variables, but here we can solve them easily by eliminating a variable. And for eliminating a term, what we have to do? So for this, subtract both the equations, then what we get? Here a to a will be cancelled, then 2b minus b means b, and 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. So we get b is equal to 0. So we have the value of b is equal to 0 degree. So for getting the second value, we can substitute b in any of these equations. So we will get the value of a. So if we replace the value of b here in the second equation, so it will become a plus 0 is equal to 60 degree. That means a is equal to 60 degree. Then we have the value of a is equal to 60 degree. And this is the solution of our question. So friends, if any of you who wants to write down the whole process can write down by pausing the video. So friends, we have one more channel named Numerica Maths, in which we upload the mathematic videos for class 8, 9th and 10th for the courses of CBSE board. So if you found this useful, the link is in the description. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for such more videos. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.